Guys, I want to introduce our high quality 3-ply disposable face mask to you. It's not for the medical or surgical, it's for the normal use. Our factory is a certificate medical production factory, which with the CE and FDA certificates, the quality is high. So firstly, from the box, you can see is the production standard, as well as meeting the FFP2 standard from European. And from the box, you can find it's very high looking, looks like a high quality. Comparing to other factory, there is a CE label sticker, which if you want to try to open it, then it will be broken. So 50 pieces per box. Here I have, in case of damage it, so I have one which I already opened it. So if you want to open it, it's already damaged, so it will be let you know it's new. And this is the bag. On the bag there is a warning sticker, and also have the made in China. It's a notice on the unit package and the cartoon. Okay, especially for some countries exporting, they need to mark made in China, especially for USA custom, and they have the manufacturer date and the expiry date. So this bag is hot sealed, which is not reusable, so it keeps it clean. So once you damage it, it's already broken. And I want to tell you is the box quality is high. So comparing to other companies, our box is the bottom is well sealed, cannot be opened. So this is high quality, and the box is very strengthened. I just opened the one of the mask. So I want to do the testing of wearing, material checking, and the washing testing for you, waterproof. So it's with elastic loop. Okay, I wear it. So this is the nose part is flexible, so you can touch here smoothly and friendly. Elastic parts very friendly and not too tight, not too loose. Okay. So I'm doing the waterproof testing. Okay, so it's a non-woven fabric and waterproof, so we'll know any water will coming out. Okay. So here, this part is also important. Some bad quality will easy to be broken. Okay, so it's a hot seal. 我们看一下这个。So it's a 3-ply fabric. The first ply and the middle and the surface. This ply is the most important to protective the various. So it's a melt brown. How to check the quality of the melt brown quality? It's needed to burn it. If it's go to flaming, then it's bad. It should be not flaming. You see, it's not flaming. Okay, and those parts need to be very strengthened. Okay, and if you try to burn it, it's also cannot burn. It cannot also. So We hope to bring you good quality products. Thank you.